Welcome to Trump Breaking News Network, your daily source for up-to-date news on the political scene of Donald Trump, his presidency, American politics and conspiracies. Please subscribe to receive notice of our daily updates. Also share with your friends and your social media. We encourage you to like our videos and give your comments.
This is TBNN.
Watch, President Trump explains why he doesn't get the flu shot. They are calling this the worst flu season in 13+ years, and hospitals around the country are reportedly overloaded. At the same time, this year's flu vaccine is said to be only 10 to 30% effective, depending on who you ask, and, right about half of American adults get flu shots, and around 60% of children take the annual jab. There is international hysteria about the flu at the moment, and major news sources are reporting that more strains are the way, as the death toll rises. If there's one thing media is good at, it's creating hysteria. Investigative journalist Jon Rappaport asks some important questions about this year's flu season. Firstly, how do we know that people with the set of symptoms we're calling flu really have an influenza virus in their body? Next, is the media hype surrounding the flu more of a PR campaign than a legitimate public health warning? When health officials begin waving red flags and raising alarms about a current viral flu outbreak, it would be more than reasonable to demand they answer questions about their past lies and deceptions. Jon Rappaport. Unless you're totally committed to the flu hysteria, it makes a lot of sense to question the flu vaccine narrative. Which is apparently how President Trump feels. In a 2015 interview with SiriusXM's Opie and Jim Norton, Donald Trump was asked if he gets a flu shot. His response was informed by a common experience, noticing that many people who get the flu shot come down with the flu. In other words, many people get the flu after getting the flu shot. How they factor this reality into the statistics at the CDC is unknown, but in the worst flu season in recent memory, with half the people getting the shot, you have to wonder if the shot isn't partly to blame for the high levels of sick people. I've never had one. And thus far I've never had the flu. I don't like the idea of injecting bad stuff into your body. And that's basically what they do. And this latest flu vaccine, has not been very effective to start off with. I have friends that religiously get the flu shot and then they get the flu. You know, that helps my thinking. I've seen a lot of reports that the last flu shot is virtually totally ineffective. President Trump.
This has been the Trump Breaking News Network. Please subscribe and share to stay up to date on the latest news about our president. Be informed.